Is your Toshiba TV turning on perfectly fine, but giving you no sound at all? Don't worry, you're not alone. Thousands of Toshiba TV owners face this frustrating problem, whether it's muted audio, distorted sound, or complete silence. But the good news is, today I'll walk you through every step to fix the Toshiba TV no sound issue, step by step. By the end of this video, your TV should be working with crystal clear audio again. Here's what we'll cover in this guide. Quick checks like mute settings and volume controls. Audio output settings inside the Toshiba menu. Connection troubleshooting for HDMI, external speakers, and soundbars. Reset options, soft reset and factory reset. When to update or reinstall software. And finally, how to know if it's a hardware issue and what to do next. So let's jump straight into it. Step 1. Check the basics. First things first, check the volume and mute button on your remote. Sounds obvious, but it's the most common cause. Show remote close-up pressing mute/volume plus. Also, try pressing the volume buttons on the TV itself. Sometimes the remote might be faulty. If you're using an external device like a cable box or streaming stick, make sure the device itself isn't muted. Step 2. Verify audio settings. Now let's check the audio output settings inside the Toshiba TV menu. Step by step, press menu on the remote. Go to Settings, Sound Settings. Make sure the TV speakers option is turned on. If using external speakers, select the correct option like HDMI ARC or optical out. Sometimes TVs switch outputs automatically after updates, leaving you with no sound. Step 3. Test different sources. Next, switch the input source, like HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or AV. Play something from YouTube or a USB stick. If one source has sound but another doesn't, the issue is likely the cable or the connected device, not the TV itself. Step 4. Check cables and external devices. Loose or damaged cables can kill audio. Tips. Unplug and replug the HDMI cable. Try a different HDMI port. If using a soundbar, check optical or ARC cable connections. Test with another HDMI cable, if available. Visual. Show swapping cables. Step 5. Restart and soft reset. A quick reset can solve 50% of sound issues. Steps. Turn off the TV. Unplug it from the wall for at least 60 seconds. Press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for 15 seconds. Plug back in and turn on. This clears temporary glitches in the system. If this guide helped you fix your Toshiba TV's sound problem, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.